the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Mbaimarama, Mrs. Mbaimarama, the Commissioner Northern, the Tui Madwata, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and people of our beloved country here in the northern, in Labasa. Bulamnaka to you all. I'd like to apologize on behalf of the management and the players. I know you expected all the team to be here. And I ask for your forgiveness because most of the boys have commitment with contracts and they're leaving either this weekend and on Monday. So ask for your forgiveness, people of the Northern. First of all, I'd like to say a word of thanks where it's always due to the Lord Almighty, who's the author and the finisher of all our victories. And without Him, like we say in the team, that Philippians 4:13, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. And through Christ, we achieve what we wanted to achieve as a nation. And I'd like to thank the Prime Minister and his government for his tremendous support. So I hope that the win in Rio can reciprocate the tremendous support that you have rendered to the boys. And I'd like to say a big vinaka to all the sponsors, to the Road to Goal Committee, to all individuals and business houses that contributed in financing our trip to Rio. Without your help, we couldn't have achieved what we've always dreamed of winning a medal, a gold medal in Rio. So thank you very much. And to the Rugby House, to the CEO, the chairman, the board members, and the staff at FRU that work behind the scene, thank you very much for all that you have done. And to all the business organizations, thank you very much for praying and fasting for the team. Your support was really invaluable to the team. And not forgetting my brothers that we started the journey together, the 24 players. Isake Katunimbao, Pio Tuai, Seulani Modnavangi, Joshua Vivi, Eminoni Nasilasila, Emosi Buliboro, Osea in France, and Geraldine in Australia. Thank you very much for your contribution, and the win is for all of you. And thank you very much for making us the best that we are in the 6 weeks that we spent in uprising. And to all the people that turned up here, I told the boys that when we were in Rio, when we won the medal podium, did we really win a gold medal? It doesn't feel like that we won a gold medal. And when we came home, it sunk in that we really won a gold medal. Seeing the support from all the people, the support from Suba and Nandi, and now the support in people in Bonualevu. Like Ben and always say that we are blessed in Fiji that we have 89 support, and that is you guys. And we couldn't have done it in Rio without you carrying us on your shoulders. And thank you very much for all the support. Yo bimiong wa kumuni we na wale sara muni we na wale kwa muni akamai wa lele muna me wana timai yo metumata muni muna baba tabani ude kwa alo le boy muni kaka wa muni mbula amarwa dina wini metai yo kalungan muni baba alo le boy Wanuna na sana marwa gina iwa ai akora ai makanya ni timai akora ni nomni ana ni matin buni monobi na sarwale babio boni